Okay, so I got this cat food right here. There's Sky. It has meat and brown rice in it. Salmon. So we're gonna give this a try for her. Try and rip this open. I did that right, I think. Oh, it looks different than I thought it looked. This is what it looks like. It's actually really cool. Shorty wants some. That's what it looks like. That is actually really cool. It smells good too. That is so cool. Extra meaty salmon and brown rice recipe. That looks so good. She's already wanting some. But yeah, we'll give that a try. Okay, she's just running around right now. Can I grab you? Ugh. Here she is. She wants it so bad. She's getting so big. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in this bowl. That looks so good. That's what it looks like. Come here. Psst, psst, psst. You wanna try some? It's new to her. Oh, she's trying it. I wonder if she likes it. Looks like she likes it. Looks like it. Okay, girl. Yeah, I think she likes it. Okay, girl. Yeah.